Let's take a look at how to download your reports on SRA 2Inform. First, log in to ConnectEd. Then sign in using your username and password. Then go to the SRA 2Inform application. Then click the SRA 2Inform button and then the SRA 2Inform tile. Then choose your program. In this case, I will choose Corrective Reading. To print individual students' report, click on Reports, then select your group from the drop-down menu. Click Individual Reports, then select your students. The program will show the snapshot of your student's report. Click Full Report, and it will show the individual student's full report. To print, click on the printer icon and make sure to save the report as PDF and include group name, program level, teacher, and student. Hit save and repeat these steps for remaining students. To print group reports, click on the Report tab, then select your group from the drop-down menu. Then choose Mastery Test Trends. To print, click on the printer icon. Make sure you save as PDF. Include the group name, program level, and teacher. Hit save. There are other suggested group reports for corrective reading, and these are the group summary report and the daily lesson progress report. Repeat these steps for remaining groups.